Oh, I guess when I was in the bathroom, they switched the route on me. I was in the bathroom and then you got some painted ones on you. Alright, so look at that. These are painted ones. Look at that. So you're taking these back, the painted ones back to Tulsa.
Yeah, that's what it's all about, is getting them painted.
Yeah, so while I stepped into the ladies' room, they had a big switcheroo over here and took, of course, took the unpainted ones off and now put the painted ones on. And I missed all that. I missed the action. It's called the old switcheroo. So no, you're blinking and you're seeing that they went from being unpainted to painted, and because these are the painted ones that are going back to Tulsa, Hopkinsville.
Go. Load up.
All right, thank you all. All right, so we're taking the painted ones back to Hopkinsville.